Hey, I don't mean any harm. How do you like those apples, bitch? Hello, everybody. Today we are gonna play some Sons of the Forest, but we're gonna play it a little bit differently. We're gonna hunt down some cannibals. We're gonna put an end to their ravage ways. People have been going missing out here for far too long, and we need to put an end to it. People are being eaten, and all of these rescue missions are being literally shot down, and we're being hunted down by these freaks. We need to put an end to them, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go tend to Kelvin over here. Yo, Kelvin, you okay, bro? Get up, man. What the hell happened to you? What's wrong with your ears, bro? Bro, what happened to you? Kelvin, snap out of it. What the hell? Let me sip on my Baja Blast here real quick. That was good. Kelvin, what? Did somebody do this to you? See, this is the problem. These cannibals are out here doing things to people, and we need to put an end to it. Kelvin, you're gonna follow me, okay? We don't have a whole lot of daylight left. Let's check these bins, okay? Let's check for some medicine, some supplies, and hunt these fuckers down. And what's in here? Oh, a grenade. Nice. I'm gonna blow this fuckers up. They're not gonna see what hit them. They've probably never seen a grenade in their life. They thought a helicopter was probably a UFO. We're like, what the hell is that? Some ammo. Oh, I wish we had a gun. How do we... Okay. First of all, a rescue mission, right? That's what we're out here doing? Rescue mission? Not so much. We have a grenade. Cool. That'll be useful. But where are all the guns, man? Why is this helicopter not loaded to the brim with guns? Why doesn't the helicopter have guns mounted to it? Do we not know about the cannibals? Like, what is going on, man? All right, I got an MRE, I got a grenade, some C4. I think we're good, Kelvin. Let me go ahead and actually get my hatchet out here real quick. Get that bad boy out here. Bam. All right, Kelvin, let's go. Let's get down the mountain so we can get out of this cold weather. Let's follow the creek here. We're going to follow the water source, Kelvin, because the cannibals can't survive without water, and there's no doubt in my mind we'll find them by following this. Okay, maybe not. Well, maybe we can make it down this. All right, Kelvin, we're going to have to slide down the mountain here. All right. Kelvin, what are you doing, bro? Get down here, dude. Come on, man. I don't know what that guy's doing, but he'll catch up eventually. Slide down the mountain. Ah! All right, we're finally out of the snow, which is good. We're gonna follow this water source as far as we can until we find some freaks. Oh, it kind of splits here. Let's go to the left. Kelvin, where you at, man? You coming? Where's this guy at, dude? What the hell is going on? This game is absolutely gorgeous. Looks like Red Dead 2. Which is, hard to do. A lot of games... What the fuck is that? Come here, bitch. Ah! Ah, come here, bitch. Ah. 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 Come here, bitch. What the hell? How did he beat me? I had a hatchet, bro. That makes no sense. What the hell is this? What the fuck? Oh my god. Kelvin? Okay, I gotta get out of this. I'm gonna grab my bag, get the grenade, and blow these fuckers up. Ah! Pick it up, bitch. Get it. Let's go. Run! Okay. All right. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's right, bitch. I got away. And guess what? Guess what else? I'm gonna blow you up. Hey, I don't mean any harm. How do you like those apples, bitch? Yeah, bitch. Yeah, you're scared now, aren't you, huh? Yeah, you little scared bitch. Kelvin! Oh my god. Kelvin, where are you, dude? Kelvin! Oh shit, there he is! Dude, Kelvin, come on, let's go. You heard the blast, good. There's a motherfucker running right there. Ah! Oh shit. I've had enough of your shit. Oh, little freak. Come here, bitch. Shit. Shit. Come on. Oh, I'm running out of breath. Where'd he go? Oh, he's up the tree. Oh, you little... Ah! Oh shit, another camp. Oh, dude. Where's my C4? Oh my god. Hey, bitch. Yeah, that's right. Huh? Yep. You heard that blast? I blew up your little buddies. No! Aw, man. What the hell, dude? Well, that's it. They got me. Damn. Well, at least we put the grenade to use, so that was pretty cool. That sucks. Damn, dude. Well, we survived for 2 hours. It's gonna be a short video. But if you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you want to see this again, let me know. I know it was short, but yeah, let me know in the comments down below as well what games you'd like to see me play, and if you want to see me do any more of Sons of the Forest. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.